Medaswa ejina court in sensini na yenyina yeni. One of the popular court case ambulance trial. Ato Forson and also Richard Jackpa omumienu a jesensem no form court na yina nimsem senya insem no anase court insem no ekosifaye about Richard Jackpa di insem bi etu dwa concerning Attorney General any de kaka hona Osha se court hono eho ayedu ye po bi pese obia ache steady ewo je so obia aye tense ewo court sanse court insem we no emu yedu ye pa na se o ma hwe niye na omo tu na jeje mu a ebetimi ede insem bebre aye den aba na nyina nim se na kan se abra na Ато Forson na deputy finance minister during their time no sign letters be ask sika omko yiske bi call to ambulance Dubai na sa ambulance cars na buy na say na enye is not fit to be called an ambulance now because of that no you say o ma cause financial loss to the state in India ka ho bebre na which Jackpa ekopie mu court o mu di asama still or witness box mu or kasebe and or din say be to do making revelation be say containing accessories need the car has been dumped at Ṱemakport abino ensa ene because of that no Dubai company Dubai ba ababesto me court na omso mu de omunchire mu ayede aba ewosa ensimu de ampaya ebedwa se na mti no Jackpa will be climbing the witness box finally and I say or the witness box climbing no ebeba ewiye na afin so judges not a proceeding on that. I'm say as Jackpa reviews government element down accessories at Ṱemakport, which are Jackpa, the third accused in the ongoing ambulance purchase trial, has made shocking revelations in court. Jackpa stated that a container carrying accessories for the ambulance was emptied at the Ṱemakport, and further investigation showed the empty container is now in Shanghai, China, being used for regular duties in which Jackpa and are siding in Semno AB details aba say osha accessories containing ambulance no container no has been done na sisi ade in Shanghai and China modi yejuma Jackpa alongside minority leader Dr. Ātor Forson is on trial for allegedly procuring ambulances without following proper procedures, leading to a financial loss to the state. In the Big C Trading Limited, Jackpa's partners criticized by the Akufo-Addo government for not meeting delivery timelines and alleged non-compliance with contractual obligations is expected to present its evidence in the Big C for no so ya sure mo say omumbe piemu company Dubai now almost answer to some of the questions during the cross examination by Attorney General and Minister of Justice Ꞇꝋurt. Jackpa said the emptying of the container was a deliberate act by certain individuals in the Akufo-Addo-led government. He argued that this was an attempt to unjustifiably prosecute Ātor Forson under the pretext of causing financial loss to the state. They say, Niakos Finano, Ina Adia, Yenida, one adie, Mama Shada Pana, Yankophobi, Esheda, more binding, Nanadra Bamuko, empty sa container no. Send on Mefa Quempia, so I then actually Ātor Forson, I then Atumanase, Emma Ātor Forson, Aquaquede, Aquajo. The cross-examination of the witness marked the fourth time he was answering questions from the prosecution. Mr. Jackpa being cross-examined by 3 different state attorneys who have inquired about his involvement in the role of his company, Jackpa at Business Limited, in the process, leading to a transaction that prosecutors claim has caused the state to lose 2.37 million euros. He said Big C Limited, the company responsible for delivering the ambulances, incurred financial losses due to the Akufo-Addo-led government failure to honor the contract terms and clear the ambulances on time. Enti baby Ajakpa so eden insem no the air fan no. In his testimony, Mr. Ajakpa explained that Big C Limited has shipped the necessary accessories for the ambulances in accordance with the contract requirements. He argued that the delays and financial burdens were solely due to the government's negligence. The company, he noted, had invested heavily to comply with the stringent certification required for the ambulances. Mr. Ajakpa also refuted allegations made by the Attorney General that he had received 50% of the contract sum. He categorically denied these claims, labeling them as baseless and unfounded. In sema ekunina way sema every court eba nti eto so I say, my lord, what the prosecution as is alleging is completely false. For the appointment time, Mr. Ajakpa again reiterated his earlier evidence that the case against himself and the first accused person was intended to jail an innocent person who is the Ajumako Enyem Esim MP who served as a deputy finance minister. Enti Ajakpa ne kono a era so ejina wa say nye ekoso nyina no e wo target ni say they will prosecute an innocent person and as obi a ne ho enim e wasem eye ato Forson ho asem e na oka. The NDC MP has always insisted that he acted on the orders and authorization of the finance minister Ꞇꝋurt to establish the letters of credit for the purchase of the ambulances. That point has been corroborated by Mr. Ꞇꝋurt, who said he gave express instructions to his subordinates to raise the LC. Mr. Ajakpa again deflated the argument of the AG, leaving him with a bruised nose. Ajakpa's constant schooling of the AG ever since the trial began continued through Tuesday's cross-examination, which drew occasional murmurs and giggles from the packed court, who were left amazed at the brazen ignorance of the chief legal officer of the Ātor government. Wow, interesting. See, I'm to the cross-examination, which largely centered on the contractual agreement surrounding the purchase of the ambulances, saw Mr. Ajakpa painstakingly explaining how the deal was reached and subsequently breached by the current government. Enti senya Ajakpa edi abane se abai we so edi kan ewo nsem mu ti omo deal no contract nsenia na nke wo so omo disu no omo so omo di deal ne so sa ena omo na omo ka ho ama financial loss no eba enti senya omo di sha to Forson no person omo ya ni na is aiming at one goal, just to jail Ātor Forson we sema e free Ajakpa we but we say course no na why she ye papa son is sending Ajakpa raise allegation now say QC Attorney General no efa no na ebai ebusianfo aha Ghana tube so and some ekoso ahudwo bi ewo man Ghana mu no ebi na mejebre fa comment ever comment section na mejebre enkenkan emfa mo fefefe aha Ghana tube wonderful snowy na me dey ensem no ebremo ebusianfo subscribe here now subscribe na afin so why hit notification bell no ama me fefefe send be a ensem no send me to my ensem paso ona be first person na onsa epeka ensem ni once again me din and snowy sisi ade ebusianfo welcome.